I create a vlog? Alright. Hey guys, so today we are going to go to Ikea. Yay! Going down the stairs. Alright. Let's go to Ikea. So guys, this is an unplanned vlog, so I'm going really quick on this one. Guys, the people are taking really, really long time. Both the places are closed.
Just confirming, nothing's open today.
Mom, I have an idea. Why don't we make this into a home vlog?
Oh, okay.
Okay. There was this toothpick in the ground. So guys, I am guessing later, you're gonna fix this spa room. This is a really dirty room. Okay guys, I just ate my food. Let's go upstairs. Alright, so guys, we are fixing the craft room. Remember that the craft room was actually filled with crap? Now it's not. Oh my goodness, there's actually a room here and a bed that you can sleep on. Look guys, you can sit and lie down on the same exact bed. Wow! Oh my goodness, yes! Alright, so guys, I am having my very delicious treat. Chips. Onions. Okay, go water right there. Hey guys, so I have finished my chips. Let's see what we will do later. So guys, you know what this day actually turned out to be? A big cleaning the house day. That is a humongous mess on the table. That, all of this came from downstairs. But the craft room is cleaned. So for the last couple of hours, I've just been chilling in my room. It is literally completely dark out. What you doing? Here's the craft room now. This is really, really beautiful. Look, picture frames on the ground. And the bed is now laid flat with a blanket. I present to you my dinner.
That's not your dinner.
My dinner. I mean, you did put out the cheese stick for me. This is a whole entire dinner because this is big enough to be a whole entire dinner. I thought I was gonna have that, but I'm gonna have this as two. Alright, so right now it's 8:23. Just having the toffee fay. And so guys, I really, really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye!